Students, I will discuss about classification of the phylum Mollusca. Now class 4. Okay, class 4 Gastropoda. Gastropoda, that means digestive system is above the muscular foot. Presence above the muscular foot. Gastropoda, hence the name Gastropoda. Gastropoda, it is the largest class in the phylum Mollusca, and it is with most diversified species animals. It is with most diversified species molluscans, most diverse class. It is the class includes with snails, slugs. Slugs lives in aquatic medium and also lives on terrestrial surface. Limpets are the marine animals and attaches to rocks, tightly attaches to the rocks. Snails, it is the gastropoda, includes with the snails, slugs, limpets. Next, gastropods lives in marine water, also in fresh water or terrestrial. Terrestrial means on the land. Next, shell is external. Shell is external. Okay, student, shell is external, present on the body surface. Univalve, single valve. Shell is made up with a single valve, univalve. It is spirally coiled. In some, shell is spirally coiled. Shell is spirally coiled. Okay. Shell is internal. Shell is internal. Inner part of the body. Shell is internal. In Aplysia. Aplysia is the one of the molluscan. Belong from the class Gastropoda. Also named with sea hair. Aplysia. In Aplysia, shell is internal. Shell is absent in Doris. Doris is sea lemon. Normal name is sea lemon. Scientific name is Doris. In Doris, shell is absent. Shell is external in snail. Shell is internal in Aplysia. Shell is absent in Doris. Next, head is distinct. Head is separate from the body. Head is distinct with eyes, tentacles. Okay, student. Eyes, tentacles are the sensory structures. Okay. Head is distinct. Head is with eyes, tentacles. Radula is present in buccal cavity. Helps in cutting of the food particles. This is the file-like rasping organ. Helps in cutting of the food particles. Next, foot is ventral in position. Foot is ventral. Foot is ventral and flattened and muscular foot. It is the foot helps in creeping. Helps in creeping on the land surface. Next, respiratory organ. Which are the respiratory organs in gastropods? Respiratory organs are gills or lungs. Gills or lungs. Lungs are also called pulmonary sacs. Some of the animals have both two types of the respiratory organs. Respiratory organs are gills or lungs. Lungs are also called pulmonary sacs. If you observe in the embryonic development of these animals, one side of the visceral mass is the main part in the body. Body is divided into three parts: head, muscular foot, visceral mass. In the embryonic development of these molluscans or the gastropods, one side of the visceral mass grows faster than the other side. One side of the visceral mass growth faster than the other side. This uneven growth rotates the visceral mass, one side of the visceral mass, up to 180 degrees. Okay, student? That is called torsion. Okay? Torsion also observed in snail, pila. Next, development, student. Development, Veliger larva. Development is Veliger larva. Example, pila. apple snail. Apple snail is the normal name. Scientific name Phyla. Aplysia, sea hare. Sea hare, Aplysia, sea hare. Next, Doris, sea lemon. Sea lemon is the normal name. Scientific name is Doris. Okay. Next, class 5, Scaphopoda. Scaphopoda. Scapho, that means board shaped shell. Poda. Okay, student. Scaphopoda. Marine animals. These are the marine animals called tusk shells or tooth shells. These are the animals belonging from the class Scaphopoda called tusk shells, tooth shells. Tusk shells, tooth shells are present in class Scaphopoda. Shell, because shell is tubular in these animals. Shell is tusk-like in these animals. These are called tusk shells, tooth shells. Okay, and open at both the sides. Shell is opens at both the sides. Student, it is the dentalium. If you observe the shell of the dentalium, it is the shell appear like a tusk shaped, elephant tusk shaped. Okay, and it is also open to outside. In this side, shell is opens to outside. It is the underside of the shell also opens to the outside. Both the sides of the shell is open. Open at both the sides. Foot is cone-like in these animals. Student, it is the foot. Foot is cone-like shape. Foot is cone-like and useful for digging. Useful for digging. Next, eyes, tentacles, ctenidia. Ctenidia also called gills. Eyes, tentacles, ctenidia, atria. Atria are the parts of circulatory system. Eyes, tentacles, ctenidia, atria are absent in these animals. It is important. Eyes, tentacles, ctenidia, atria are absent in animals present in Scaphopoda. Okay, in these animals, these are eyes, tentacles, ctenidia, atria are absent. Next, captacula, another one of the feature is present in the animals present in class Scaphopoda, that is a captacula. What about the captacula? These are the thread-like structures. These are captacula. Student, these are captacula. Large number of the thread-like structures. These are large number of the thread-like structures helps in capturing of the food particles. These are called captacula. Captacula helps in capturing of the food particles. Which are animals? Example for class Scaphopoda: Dentalium, Pulsellum. Dentalium, Pulsellum. Okay. It is about the class 4 Gastropoda, class 5 Scaphopoda. Class 4 Gastropoda is with examples Phyla, Aplysia, Doris. Next, class 5 Scaphopoda, example Dentalium, Pulsellum.